Okay, so we are in Google Sheet, all right? So this is actually Google Sheet. You can see the icon over here. So I just want to create the validation. Fine. So select where you want it. So let's say I just only want it in this particular cell. Right. So validation actually comes under data because data validation. And you can see, right, you can actually add a rules, right, what you want to do. Okay. If you want drop down, fine. You want the text to contain something, okay. Or even if it's validate or greater, equal, between, okay. You decide what you want. So I'm just going to try one. Okay. Is it a valid date? And do I want to show a warning or do I want to reject it? So let's say I just want to reject it. So I'll put it here. So it's at this cell. What is at this cell? So I'm just going to try 13, 13, 2025. Okay. And hit enter. And you can see the data that you entered violate the date validation rule. And when you click OK, nothing appear here. See, nothing actually appear here because it refused to accept it.